Today I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know to get started using the Instagram Edits app to really make your videos stand out. Let's jump in. So I'm on my iPhone here, but this works if you're on an Android device. You just want to download Edits. Download that, and when you open that app, it's going to ask you to log into your Instagram. And once you log in, it's going to bring you to the main page. Now, even though you need an Instagram account to be able to use this, you don't have to use it to post videos on Instagram. You could use this for TikTok or YouTube Shorts or anything like that. But it is kind of nice that it's all built in there within that. So when it first comes up, across the bottom, you have some navigation bar to select the different options. And it starts you out on the projects, which is the center bar there to create a project. But before we jump into that, I want to show you here to the left of this, you have a little play arrow. And this is some inspiration so that you can decide and use some of these as inspiration if you like those. And you can make this exact video with edits, or you could bookmark that to look at later, or whatever you want to do. So that's kind of nice there. Then you also have a stickers libraries or reels that you've saved in there, audio that you want to use, collections. So that kind of organizes everything into your idea section if you want to use those later. And then to the right side, you have your recording app, so you can be able to shoot your video directly into there as you like. And then insights, which gives you a little bit of insight into your Instagram account that it's linked to, so you can see what's working, what's not working. So that's all really cool and right at your fingertips. So let's start here with create your first project. We're just going to hit plus. And you have the option to use a gallery of something that you've already done, or you can just use the camera and record right in there. So I'm just going to start here and I'm going to record. Hi, everybody. This is me using the Edits app. Let's check it out. So we'll stop that. You can add music if you'd like. You can change the background as you like. You could do slow motion. All those things are right within there. So we're just going to take the video as is. And so then it opens up into this editor. Now we can just do some basic trimming. So I want it to start there. So I'm just sliding my finger over right when I'm about to talk. And then we bring in that side. Then we can go to the end and right there when I stop talking. And we bring in that. Okay. And then you can also split it or anything like that. Then I do want to add some audio. So let's just pick one here. Just add that in there. So I'm going to change the volume here. Bring that down. Check. Hi, everybody. This is me using the Edits app. Let's check it out. And then a lot of those other functions are right in there. So let's say we want to add a filter. And let me just try lighten that up. That looks good. Again, you could add a green screen in there if you'd like. So then we could have me reacting to my own video there. That's a little meta for me, right? You could add some effects. Let's say we want to do a little black and white fade. Okay. So we're just real quickly just adding some different things in there. Voice adjustments, you can crop, all of that. And then we just go up to export. And so from here, you can be able to post it directly on Instagram, Facebook, message it, whatever you want to do. We'll close that out, close that. And there you go. Now that's in your projects and ready to go for the next time you need to use it, or if you need to make any more adjustments in there. So I hope you found this helpful to get you started using the Instagram Edits app, and I will see you in the next one.